She doesn't know I'm about to surprise her, so let's see what kind of mood she's in.
Here are you.
I thought we'd come surprise you in the middle of your cleaning.
Oh, and tell everybody how slow I am?
You're not... How are you, babe?
Oh, he doesn't respond. I'm good.
Would you look at the camera for just a second? So, you've been working your butt off. I can smell some bleach in here.
And it looks perfect.
Oh, you're
That's
doing...
why it takes so long. So, but you don't, I mean, not the refrigerator yet. I haven't cleaned it, but everything else has been cleaned.
Okay, tell us a little bit about how it's going.
Well, I've been scrubbing, and I do have to say that this is a lifesaver.
Oh, what is that? That's the
Scotch-Brite.
Scott-Brite stainless steel.
Yeah, the stainless steel one.
Oh,
The gray one.
I'll have to
silver
show.
one.
Did you know that if people want to buy one of those, they can click on the link below our
Yes.
video? Okay. So, did you see the lady text and said that Habitat for Humanity or one of the thrift stores is going to come carry the furniture away? So.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. When?
I don't know. You may see them show up, you may not. So,
Okay.
anyways. Well, I just want to say thank you. I think I look like a pretty big jerk here on the TV,
Why?
on the video, because you're cleaning away and I'm
They
not.
don't know that I like to clean. I'd rather be moving.
You'd rather be moving?
Yes. I'd
Um,
rather be feeling like I'm doing a job and working hard and like I said, I like to exercise, so it like replaces my exercise during the day.
Yeah. You know, we would like to see your face when you're talking, Jess.
I know,
So that's proper camera etiquette.
I know, but
Have you done anything in here yet? Let's just see how the toilet's doing. Okay. Looking good. You're doing a great job. I appreciate you.
I don't know if you remember. How
Look at the
dirty
camera,
they-
please.
I don't know if you remember how dirty
I do remember how dirty it is.
were.
How about the microwave? Can you show me about the microwave? What you've
I
done?
mean, yeah.
I mean, this place is a mess. It's a big cleaning. Oh, that looks good.
No?
What did you use to clean in there?
Just all-purpose cleaner.
Yeah,
Um,
it helps get rid of the greasy feel, the all-purpose. Did you use
Yes.
Spick and Span or something else?
Just Kroger, Lysol.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if it's not called Kroger Lysol. That's
Well-
combining two names.
Well,
It's
people are smart enough to know what I'm talking about.
Kroger Home and Garden. That's the stuff right there.
Yeah, but it says it's Lysol.
We have to be correct on our videos.
Oh,
Okay, well. All right, babe, would you mind calling me about 30 minutes before you're done so I can come see the finished product?
sure, babe.
I love cleaning.
I love cleaning. I do. I really when we started.
All right, well,
Okay.
show it to us. Let's see your clean place.
Okay. Now, make sure you clean your feet off.
Okay.
Go in. Okay. And on top. And
Up here too, on top of the refrigerator?
yeah.
Okay.
And I don't know if you remember how dirty the sink was.
Not really.
Clogged.
How about that? Did you remember? Much better.
But yeah, that's just a stain.
Okay. How about that oven? Did you use the oven off?
Yes.
Whoa! Thank goodness I gave you a good tip.
Yeah.
What would you have done without my tip?
I would have probably been slower.
All
I
right.
cleaned all the cabinets. I had a ladder
Yeah.
because there's no way to get to the top one. There's no ladder. I cleaned the fan.
Wow. Oh, you did the ceiling fan?
The cabinets is what took forever. They had grease caked on them.
Okay.
We never appreciate that, but that takes forever.
All right. Well, I remember this toilet. So you put the purple.
Mm-hmm. It was brown before.
I really want to see what it looks like. Flush it and see what
You
it
don't
looks
have
like.
to go get fabulous.
So there is our toilet.
Let me see if it.
I usually like to keep purple Fabuloso in a toilet so that it looks, so it smells nice and clean and looks clean. But in this case, I really wanted to see what the toilet looks like, so I think they'll be happy with that. Let's see this. Oh wow, much better. Good job.
The tile.
Oh boy, yeah. I'm gonna show them a before.
Okay.
All right, here's the tub. You're gonna have some fun with this tub.
I might want to just spray the mildew cleaner on it now.
Yeah. That is very good. For this old place, awesome. Awesome. Okay. Well, I gotta say, you did a great job.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our documentary
Thank you.
video. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel,
Yes.
and we'd really appreciate it.
Yep. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time on How Do I Clean? How do I clean?
How do I clean?
How do I clean?
How do I clean?